my name is Renata Mayu, and today I will tell you about a very beautiful place, balam, or how I start. If you like archaeological sites, balam is a good destination for your tribe. In this place, you can perform activities that you cannot in the other place now. For example, walking in the ruins and taking photos. Yeah, to spend time with your family. Balam originates from approximately 300 BC until the arrival of the Spanish and the capital of the Thai Empire. You can find a bald and very beautiful arc known as Sacred Road. And the entrance to this archaeological site is from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. every day of the year. General admission 75 pesos. And this is balam. Indicate here. It's a good place to have adventures in addition to the cenote. There are also activities such as rappelling and zipping with bicycle rental service, kayaks, cabins, dining around the restricted areas. It's a place relatively close to the city where you can rest and enjoy. Well, do not forget, come to know Ekbalam. Bye guys.